Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be building a solar oven. The materials you will be needing are a small pizza box or any sort of small box, black construction paper, scissors, tape, a glue stick, plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and markers. The first thing you want to do is cut out a flap of your pizza box. Now you open your box and get your glue stick and your black construction paper, and you glue in your black construction paper. The next thing you want to do is get a piece of aluminum foil, get some tape, and then tape the aluminum foil around so it's secured. And then go to your flap and get another piece of aluminum foil and place it on the flap. Make sure you place it on both the inner and outer part of your flap, or else your solar oven won't work. After you are done with the aluminum, grab a piece of plastic wrap and put it over the opening of your box. And that is how you build a solar oven. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell to see another one of our videos. Thanks for watching.